Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and I am so excited today to bring you Home Cooking for Your Dog by Christine Filardi. And we're going to try out her peanut butter and coconut cakes, perfect for the favorite canine friend in your life. Let's get started. For peanut butter and coconut cakes, we will need 4 cups unsweetened cornflakes, 1 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 cup whole wheat flour, a half cup creamy peanut butter, a half cup hot water, and 2 large eggs. To get started on our dog treats, we'll use a potato masher or our hands to crunch up the cornflakes. Once we have those all crunched up, we'll add the rest of our ingredients and mix until well combined. Once that's well combined, we're going to drop it by tablespoonfuls onto a greased or lined baking pan about a 1/2 inch apart, and we're just going to leave them rounded. So once they're ready on your pan, we're going to put them in a 325-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes until they're slightly hardened, and then we have to let them cool for 30 minutes before we give them to our furry friend. Okay, Lily, let us know what you think. Looks like a winner to me. Once your treats have fully cooled off, you can store them in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 3 days, or in the freezer for up to 3 months. We hope you enjoyed today's episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time.